In this tutorial, let's see how to create this outline text effect in After Effects. Let's get started. Alright, so we are in the After Effects and I have taken this clip, and now let's double click on the clip and go in the another window. Let's select the roto brush tool, make an outline over our subject. Okay, we have got the perfect outline. Okay, so now let's select the refine edge tool and draw an outline over the hair. Okay, come to effects control and change the quality to best. Okay, so now let's freeze the frames, let it render. It may take some time. My laptop's fans are on fire right now. Okay, so we are done with this. Now let's go in the main composition. See, okay, so now let's select this clip, Control D, in effects control, select this effect and delete. Okay, alright, so let's put our text. Okay, nature. Alright, so now let's grab this text and put it in the middle. Alright, so let's duplicate this text. Okay, so now let's grab the text and put it above. Okay, select it and uncheck the fill. Okay, let's right click and take a null object. Select both the texts and connect the whip to the null object. Okay, we can move them anywhere. This is text outline effect in After Effects. Make sure you try and add this effect in your videos to make them look more amazing. My name is Ameya and I will see you in the next video.